Hi everyone, myself Dr. Praveen S. Patil here. Today we are going to look into the different levels of neck nodes. So nearly about 800 nodes are situated in the body. Among them, 300 nodes are situated in the neck itself only. So these neck nodes are classified as level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, 5, 6 and 7. Level 1, the submental and submandibular nodes comes under level 1. The submental and submandibular nodes comes under level 1 and upper jugular nodes comes level 2 and mid jugular level 2, 3 and lower jugular is called as level 4 and posterior triangles nodes comes in the level 5, anterior compartment levels comes in the level 6 and mediastinal nodes comes in the level 7. So now we'll look into one by one. Level 1 nodes are further classified as level 1A and level 1B. That is submental, which is having a boundaries like anterior belly of the digastric and the hyoid bone and the midline. So this area comes the submental. So nodes which are coming over here, so these are grouped as 1A. Within a triangular boundary of the anterior belly of the digastric muscles and the hyoid bone and the midline on another side. So this is submental triangle. So the nodes which comes under in this area are level 1A. Level 1B is the submandibular triangle. So mandible on the superior side and the anterior belly of the digastric and the stylohyoid muscles, that is styloid muscles, so which is not drawn here. This is the posterior belly of a digastric muscle, so it's just adjacent to this area. So the styloid muscles comes here. So this part, the nodes which are present over here, so this comes under level 1B. Next comes level 3. Before that, level 2. So this is level 1. So level 2 comes now. Upper jugular nodes. So these are also called as subdigastric nodes. Situated around the upper third of the internal jugular vein and adjacent accessory nerves. The upper boundary is the base skull and lower boundary is the inferior border of the hyoid bone. So this is the inferior boundary of the hyoid bone. Nodes which are present over here, so this comes under level 2. I repeat, from the base skull till the inferior boundary of the hyoid bones, those comes under level 2. Anteriorly stylohyoid muscles will be there and posteriorly the sternocleidomastoid muscles will be there, and these level 2 muscles are further classified as 2A and 2B. So anterior medial nodes comes under level 2A and posterior lateral nodes comes under 2B. Anterior medial to the vertical plane of the accessory nerves. So this anterior to the accessory nerves comes under level 2A and posterior lateral nodes called as 2B. Next comes level 3, that is middle jugular nodes. From the inferior border of the hyoid till the inferior border of the cricoid cartilage. So this is the thyroid cartilage, next to that is the cricoid cartilage, and approximately the nodes which comes here are called as level 3 nodes. From inferior border of the hyoid till the inferior border of the cricoid. So this mid 1/3 of the jugular nodes comes under level 3. Level 4 is the nodes which are just below the inferior border of the hyoid bone till the end of the jugular vein. Is those nerves comes under level 4. Level 5, on the posterior triangle of the neck, the nodes which are situated on the posterior triangle of the neck. So these all nodes comes under the level 5. Level 6, level 4. Level 4 is lower border of the jugular nodes, and level 5 the posterior triangle, and level 6 as anterior compartment nodes. Anterior compartment nodes. So this is pretracheal nodes, paratracheal nodes. So these nodes comes under level 6. So this is a American Joint Committee of the Cancer, AJCC. As per this classification, these are the classified levels of the neck nodes. And there is another classification in which the mediastinum also included as level 7. So AJCC won't consider mediastinal nodes as a neck nodes, but there is another classification in which they have included the mediastinal nodes in level 7. So these are the neck nodes, different levels of neck nodes. So in brief, I'll just brief it. Level 1. So this is the level 1. Level 1A, anterior digastric, inferior border of the hyoid and midline, that is submental triangle. Those are submental triangle, submental nodes comes under level 1A. Submandibular triangle, hyoid bone, and anterior belly of the digastric and the styloid muscles, and margin of the mandible. This is a triangle. This is level 1B. The upper boundary of that level 2 is skull base and the inferior border of the hyoid bone. Inferior border of the hyoid bone. So this is level 2, and anterior medial nodes comes as level 2A, and posterior lateral nodes comes as level 2B. From the inferior border of the hyoid bone till the inferior border of the cricoid, so mid 1/3 of the jugular, and rest below that. So this is a level 4, and level 5 is posterior triangle nodes, level 6 anterior compartment nodes, and level 7 mediastinal nodes. So this is all about the levels of neck nodes. If you like this video, then kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and forward to the needed people. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.